introduce unto you great friends of mine. I have known the woman in this band for longer than she would like me to tell you. Please welcome Amanda Kitchens and the Carnival of Sound.
Well met, my friends. Oh, and my queen, thank you. Well, my friends, we are Carnival of Sound, and we play world music. Tomorrow's our final day here in the forest. But fear not, you can find us at the Boar's Head stage at 2, 3, and 4 p.m. We play festive dance music from all around the world. And since, my queen, my lord doth put a ring on it since last we met, wedding tune called Amari, and it goes something like this.